Today I show you the force-oriented cutting of the fibers. Hi, I'm Tino, CPO at Ottobock, and this is O&P Workshop Insights. You know, we have different fibers for the reinforcement. Carbon, glass, flax fiber. We have that from a band or from a roll already in different widths. That's the best solution to place the fibers directly in the right angle, so parallel to the force. But if you need a bigger sheet of fibers, for example from the carbon roll, and you're not sure, are the theft and the warp directly in 90 degrees, there's a trick to test that. Take a roving, go on the side on the roll, pull that out. You have to start from the bottom, go up until you see, okay, I can remove these roving, bring the roll to the edge of the table. Then you see it was not directly 90 degrees. Double tape on, cut the rest off. And now you have a roll exactly 90 degrees of theft and warp. And this is your basic to start with 90 degrees alignment. In some cases, for example, toe-off area in an orthosis, you need 45 degrees. But with the beginning, remember, roving in the mat, you can't start and you don't have exactly the angle as you need it. I'm pretty sure this trick is very useful for your daily business. If you love it, tell someone and follow us on our YouTube channel, Ottobock Professionals.